we are going to get all of our URLs which we want to scrape from the Google Sheet, and then we will put the scraped values again in that Google Sheet. First of all, let's make this workflow triggered manually. Okay, as a next step, we need to make sure that we get URLs for scraping. Let's find Google Sheet node here, and we are interested in getting rows. So I gotta pick this sheet within document for resource. Then for operation, get rows. The document, this one, sheet, this one, amazing. We need to filter by name and set value empty, and also we need price and make it empty as well. And the combined filters, we use n parameter because we're interested only in those rows where name and price are empty. For the next step, choose option return only first matching rows. And to make sure it works, let's execute step. So as you can see, Google Sheet node goes to our table and pick the first row where name and price are empty. And the next step will be to set up scrapping itself. To this, let's use AI Scrapper by Parsera. In this particular example, we are interested in extract from URL. Okay, resource extractor. Next step, we gotta make sure that we get our URL. So we have URL here, so we just drag and drop in here. For prompt, so we want to extract name and prices of the product. After we finish our prompt, we need to specify attributes. In our case, we need name and we need price. And now we can execute the step. Cool. And we can proceed to the last step, which is to put information we scraped into our table. And for this particular action, let's choose update row and sheet. So we gotta choose the operation, which is update row, document again, sheet again. Then we gotta choose the column to match on. I will pick URL. Okay, after that, we need to set values to update. So for name and price, we will drag and drop info from the extraction step. For URL and row number, let's put information from Google Sheets tab. Everything is set, so now we can just execute step. To make sure it works, let's go back to our table and see that our last step in n8n return values such as name and price here. And now let's fill all the empty cells. Let's make a cycle here and let's execute the whole workflow. And done. Cool. AI Scrapper by Parsera extracted all the names, all the prices, and our n8 workflow put all those values back to our table.